What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to talk about how to use your cruise control on your BMW E90. So your steering wheel should look similar to this. Your cruise control is going to be right down here, right underneath the blinker stock. So basically to activate cruise control, all you would do is just push this or pull this towards you like this. And then to cancel it, you can either hit the brake or push this up or down like that. So what's neat about the cruise control is you can actually adjust your speed. You can actually decrease or increase your speed by just using this thing. Say if you're going 40 miles an hour and you want to go 45, you would do a full click forward and it would go up to 45 miles an hour. Say your cruise control is at 43 miles an hour and then you would do a full click forward. The next thing and it would go to 45 miles an hour regardless. It always goes 30, 35, 40, 45 with like the full clicks. Same thing backwards. So if you want, so say you're going 40 and you want to go 35 miles an hour, you'll just pull it towards you like a full click. Say you don't want to go 40 or 45 or 50, you want to be in between and be weird and go like 43 or 44 or 57 or whatever. So say you're going 40 miles an hour and you want to go 43, you would just do three half clicks forward. So 1, 2, 3. Here's a full click. So see how it clicks like all the way forward? Here's like half and then full. And same thing backwards. If you're going 40 miles an hour and you want to go 38, you would just do 2 half clicks back. So you're going 40 and you go 39, 38. So here's the half click and then a full click. So you can tell. But it's pretty easy, not too hard, very convenient if you're going on long trips or you're feeling lazy or whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.